Hey y'all, I'm out here on trap line. Had to check a little early this morning. Hopefully it's light enough for y'all to see, but I got something here I want to show y'all real quick. Kyle sat here. Little trail comes out, the cornfield over there. Caught old squirrel in the trap last night, I suppose, or yesterday afternoon. And something came through, got a free meal. I don't know. I'm seeing some tracks here. Probably can't make them out on camera. I can't tell much about the track except it was either a coyote or a bobcat. So I'm gonna remake this set, and I'm gonna use part of this squirrel and stuff it down in the dirt hole. So hopefully they'll come back to finish them off. Curiosity kills the cat every time. And the other day I was right here in this corner. I don't know if y'all remember this set in my last video. I caught a bobcat, and I said I'm coming over here to this cedar, hanging a CD up, putting a bobcat set. Well, there you have it. You can see my setup. I'll show you again when I get it remade. But what I've got, yeah, you're a little mad. It's a female, I'd say. I prefer to hang an old wing or something up there if I got it, but didn't have one at the time, so I hung a CD up there on some fishing line. And I used some old nuts for a weight so it wouldn't just flop and get hung up in the tree. That right there, swinging around, brought him in. Guarantee it. That's what brought him in. I had some Tandy's grub staker and battle gunslinger for lure in a Duke 550. Got a whole paw in there. A little bigger cat than one the other day. Still not a big cat, but a little bit bigger, I believe. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love catching bobs, ain't nothing like it, I'll tell you. Number 2 for the season right here, same corner. So I'm gonna get this one out of here, remake this set. I'll show y'all my setup, so y'all stay tuned. There's a dirt hole back here somewhere, right there. Check out that patch, that catch. This is a bigger cat than the other one in the last video, but it's a female. Ain't quite as pretty, but a little bigger. Anyway, my guess, my bait and lure should still be down in there. Thanks, Bob Ventry. Give me this bag down there at Tennessee. I appreciate it, Bob. It's time for me to get a new trapping bag, and I really like this one. Got a lot more room. Move that cat back a little. So for cats, I'm gonna take all these old leaves and crap, throw it back there. All this trash. I had a piece of cedar laying back there before. Cats, you can guide them a lot more. Ain't nothing on the trap, pretty much. always just hammer that stuff down in the ground. Make sure it's solid. Don't matter what you're trapping, make sure it's solid. Alright, like that. I grab my flat dirt. I gotta get me some more peat moss. I like mixing this wax dirt and peat moss. Because the wax dirt I made this year is a little bit too light in color to please me. The only soft spot I want in the pan right there. Alright. Got enough trash, loose dirt around here. What I'm gonna do is just take this stuff right here. Sift it over that. Only soft spots right there, and that's the pan. I'm back, I don't know, probably about 8-9 inches on this one. Maybe. Cats like a nice smooth surface to step on. Just like that. And you can grab some of these hickory nuts around here, but make sure they don't get in the trap. If you place them kind of make them look like, put them in there so they don't roll down here, because you don't want them between the jaws. The only time I really use them is if it's a place where they're already laying around. Alright, like that. Ready for another cat. This back in here and this guiding works good for cats. For cows, this wouldn't work. And I'll throw this up here too. Now, I don't like putting a big log because they like walking on it. At least not on the side of it, behind it. Alright. Alright, it's like that and it's ready to go. Other than my bait and lure. I just realized my doggone camera went dead about the time I was getting ready to bait and lure it. The bait and lure was still in there. Some grub staker and gunslinger. I put a little more lure on the backing and some bobcat pea. Now I took this old squirrel that was in one of my traps yesterday and something ate half of him. Pulled some of his fur hair off and put it down in there as a little extra. So that's what it's baited with. Good morning, y'all. I'm back out here on the trap line. Man, the last few days there's not been any sign of coyotes even existing around here. Been slow, to say the least. Let me get this camera turned around. I do have a catch right now. Nice little Ricky, or kind of a big Ricky. Ricky the Raccoon in one of my coyote sets. Yeah, you destroyed my backing, didn't you, buddy? It's a decent sized raccoon. It's actually a big old cone. I got Duke number 2, I believe. Yeah, I just had a dirt hole there with some grub staker in the hole. Yep, I'm gonna get Ricky took care of and remake that and move on to the next farm. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, what's up? Back over here on the other farm. I'm gonna start calling this the cat farm. Cause oh man, I got a beauty right here. Y'all check it out. Y'all remember that squirrel I caught the other day in the Britcher? I think it might be in this video, could be in the video before, don't remember. I put some of him down in a hole. I got a big old kitty right there, back foot caught. Whoa, easy, easy. Don't tear your toes off now. Take your time there. Looks like a big tom. Looks like he might be spotted good too. Heck yeah, y'all. So what this was right here, well, there you can see the squirrel he got out of the hole. Oh, easy now. There's part of the red squirrel that I had in the hole. I caught a little squirrel here and a predator come through and ate half of him. So I stuffed the other part of him down in there, the tail and stuff. Easy now, easy. Got us a big kitty. Big nice kitty for around here. Yeah, I think I call this the Bobcat farm. I ain't seen a coyote one. It's like they don't even exist the last few days. But I've been picking up a cat here and there and a raccoon, which I'll take a cat. What I had here in this set, like I said, was just a dirt hole set, part of a squirrel in there, grub staker, and gunslinger. That's what I had here. And there you go. Nice cat. That's the biggest one I've caught this year for sure. It could be a female, but I'd say that's a big old tom. They ain't real heavy, but he's a long-legged, he's a big cat. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Show y'all that remake. I got it pretty tore up. Try to get on the side here so y'all can see. I'm gonna take all this old trash. There's a squirrel. I'm gonna put it back in there. He didn't even get to eat it. That's a big old cat for. He's not heavy. He's kind of skinny, but big old long-legged tom. Put all this trash. There's some of this trash around here. Use it for backing. He was in a Bridger number 2 dogless. Here's my dirt hole. I don't know how much he got out. Well, he got the squirrel out. Like so. Polyfill under the pan. These Bridger number 2s don't have a lot of room under there, so don't take a lot of polyfill. Like that. Beat all that junk down in the ground, what I used to do. This hole's a little wallered out. I got some peat moss and about these britches got a bigger pan than these dukes, than the Duke 550. At least y'all might have got a little entertainment there, so wasn't all in vain, I guess. Alright, saw it once again. Try this again. This time I need to make sure I don't press down on the pan. Now if I just had this for cats, I wouldn't worry too much about that pan. But I'm wanting to catch a coyote here if one comes through. I do need to cover it up. But I'm just going to take some of this trash. It's got enough dirt in it, hopefully. Well, maybe not. Sift over this. That ain't gonna work. I'll just grab another handful of this. Put a little bit of this grub staker in there. Gunslinger right up here on the side, like so. Take this squirrel. It's going to pretty much fill that hole up, but that's okay for bobcats. All that smells in there, the squirrel and the bait I put in there. Push it down in there good. There, that's the set right there, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Good cat. Alright, y'all, that's it for this episode. It's been slow on coyotes here lately, but not really complaining because I love catching cats. Number 3 for the season. Had that old raccoon this morning. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all.